Hello everyone, let's learn how to delete comment history on TikTok. So if you comment video on TikTok, and you want to delete that comment, but you don't know what is that video, I will show you how to do that. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. First open your TikTok app. After that go on profile icon and bottom right corner. Then tap on this 3 lines. And go on settings and privacy. Now go on comment and watch history. And go on comment history. Now you can see your comments of all time. And if you want to go on any comment, just tap on that. If you want to delete this comment, go long press, and tap on delete. Also you can delete just one by one comment, because TikTok didn't have option for delete all comments. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for new one. Goodbye.